look at what I just did. I just spilled that one. Oh, it's okay. Can you get me that? Maybe the other ones? It's okay. Actually, I just spill it before. I just like spill it before it, but not a big deal. I just need that much. Great. This okay? Okay. Sorry, everyone. Look. Here, let me cover it. Remember, I just spill it and then I open it. Then, woo. Okay. Obsidians. Can you get that one? I drop it on my lap. And here you go, obsidian. Ooh, live vase is cool. So with these two pigment together, it's really pigmented. Do not worry, you can play with this and just really light coat. I would do a lot more layer if I'm drawing of flowers with the brushes. But if not, then don't have to worry about doing it. What did I do? And now I need crystal clear. So when you're seeing it start still wet, leave it a second and let it set. And then we're going to the crystal clear. What flowers do you want? Crucio. Thank you, Livas. So really, a little bit of a crystal clear. I'm using a crystal clears right now. Do not afraid of this darker pigmented. It just like scare us, but do not worry about this. I'm excited with this one. That's cool. Wipe it off. Oh, this part is really cool. So what you need to do is just like, don't get too much of crystal clear. Just get enough, just like a little bit of wet of your brush. Because if you're doing too much, it's gonna just dripping and it's just bleeding all of your fusioning. There you go. And working from outside toward to the center of it. Ooh. So it's only a different that if you're doing with the doggers and the lighters, make sure you're doing your purple first. So it won't not cancel your lighters, pigments. You do purple first and you apply your obsidians. There you go. You want a more defined veins. Keep working on that. I'm so enjoying with this. There you go. I'm trying to get really cool background for the chamfer foil. There you go. You can continue to work more on it. It's really cool. It really depends on how you want. You want like less veins or you want more veins. It's just up to you. And let's move on to the next step. Look at what I did. It looks new, fusioning. Here, there you go. Okay, let's see what we're gonna put this one on. That is stunning. All right. Ooh, everyone, I am going to do this one and that. How about that? Live Bass, are you there? You want to see this look or that look? That look is super cute too. Okay, now I'm having a hard time.
Do the red.
The red one? The red one right there.
Red or green, either one.
Oh, we can do this two together. Look at that. Ooh, Live Bass, are you there? You love this? Okay.
Just one at a time.
No, I'll do both of them.
Okay.
Or this one. No, this one is thing. Or is that too much?
That's too much.
It's nothing such a too much for us, right, Live Bass? Nothing such a too much of design in Crystal. He doesn't understand it. Okay, just kidding. All right, so we do that two colors. We just give you a hard time. Okay, let's do the Chandler boy. We asked him and then he doesn't get to say anything. Bougie, I love this foil. This is number, I think it's 50. Someone using a chamfer foil and I am going to cure this for 30 seconds. All right, so here you go. But we have so many others though. Oh, this one looks cute though. Should we do this one? Mika did this one yesterday. It's really cute. She did like that. Maybe I should inspire and then inspire her look. Mika, are you there? I am gonna recreate the look. Okay, now I need your help. This one? Or this one? Green? Pink. Let me put it from far away. Kubira is number 50. That's this one? The nails icon? Oh, you know what? Not bad at all. Gosh, number 50. Thank you, Live Bass. Ooh. Oh my God, this one is super cute. This doesn't matter. I'm going different edges right now.
That thing one is nice, yes. Like it.
Like here? Look at that.
That worked too.
Okay, Mika. Thank you so much for inspirations. I'm gonna using your design. I work hard today. You are. Oh, good. Hey, Dom. Thank you. Welcome back. All right, Mika, here is your designs. I am going to recreate your designs on the top of, we're changing so many different, that is cute. Okay, so if you don't want this, you can absolutely using a different design. I want this one right here for someone else. But if you want to do a look from Mika design yesterday, day before, on her profile, you can view on her profile with the long nails for that. Where's my tweezers? You see my tweezers somewhere?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. And hey, Dom, you're all tuning back in. Thank you so much. Dom did really cool with Diamond Dust Pixie last week. Dom going live tomorrow, right, Dom? because you're doing on Friday. That's gonna be awesome. Can't wait to see a beautiful rosy. Live brass, here you go. Ooh. That is different. I like that. Look at how it transfers everything. You can do the whites one too. Look at that. Right, so there are so many. I can't wait. I'm gonna do more and more design for all of you. Let me cover that part because I'm spilling my fusion ink. Here you go. And let's do another layer of that because we are going to put some butterflies. What? Oh, I got an idea. What do you think about these butterflies? Which one should I do, everyone? I need help. The yellow. She's so bright. Should we? Yellow. All right. Do the yellow. Cotton candy. Cotton candy is not the yellow. Is looks really cool and vibrant. I like the. So you can basically just cut it. And I can cut this one in half. If you don't have a half butterfly, just cut her in half and using one half for this nails and then do the other one for the opposite nails. There you go. So many, a thousand of butterflies on that collection 56. So I'm going to doing chamfer foil again because I'm going to put the double foil on this nails. Great. Here for 30 seconds. In the meantime, for all of you who just tuning in, welcome to Glitz Accessory and Such live tutorials. We did this one first nails with the purples and pink fusion ink, and we did this one is the second one and this one the third one. So this one, the second one we did is with Honesty with the browns and green colors, and we did the green, hold on, we did blue and yellow on this one, so it turned out kind of a greenish yellow. It's really cool though. So we're gonna using a precision glue shortly to double secure it, but then let's go into this one. Is that good? Okay, let me see. Oops, sorry, my tweezer, and I'm using that. Where's the other half though? Did you see that? She's kind of really nice and big. And then the other half. Just press it with my tweezer to the end. There you go. Do you see any missing? Give it, make it back up. Take it off. Here you go. You transfer everything. This one. There you go. Super vibrant.